Let's learn how you can change TikTok account region. So first step is to open TikTok application. Now you want to go to your profile, then go to three horizontal lines in top corner and head over to settings. Now you want to click on privacy, then go to location services. Now you want to change permission settings to never and click on open settings. Now click on location and click on never. Now you want to go back to TikTok and click on delete certain location data. Now when it has been deleted, you want to go to settings and on search just type region. Click the first one and now just change to the country you want your TikTok region to be. So after selecting that, just restart the phone and launch TikTok again. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.